Hello and welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English. And today we're looking at some phrasal verbs. Some phrasal verbs with up. For example, clear up. We use it to talk about the weather. Clear up. The weather is clearing up. It was raining earlier. Now the sun is coming out. It's clearing up. Next one. Hold up. To delay something. I was held up in the traffic this morning coming to work. Another one. Do up. To improve something. The kitchen needs improving. I want to do it up. Make it look nice. Or save up. I'm saving up for Christmas. I'm saving up for a holiday. I don't have enough money now to buy something, so I will save some money each week, each month, and save up for something in the future. Phrasal verbs with up. Have a look at Uncle Jeff's board. Okay, 4 sentences with missing phrasal verbs. What do you think they are? Have a look at number 1. The weather was horrible this morning, but it's now. What is the missing phrasal verb? Number 2. Lisa was late for work because she was in the traffic. Number 3. They bought an old house and it's really nice now. And number 4. Dave is for a holiday. What are the missing phrasal verbs with up? Let's have a look. First one. The weather was horrible this morning, but it's now. The meaning then is the sun is shining, the weather has improved, so the weather was horrible this morning, but it's cleared up. Beautiful. Cleared up now. It's got better. Improved. Number 2. Lisa was late for work because she was in the traffic. If she's late, she's delayed. So a phrasal verb meaning delay, hold up, past tense because she was late, hold up becomes held up. Lisa was late for work because she was held up in the traffic. Held up in the traffic. Number 3. They bought an old house and it's really nice now. So old house, now it's nice, it's lovely. Phrasal verb meaning to improve. Do up. So they bought in the past an old house and did it up. It's in the past. Do up becomes did up, and did up what? It, an old house. So did it up. They bought an old house and did it up. It's really nice now. And the last one, Dave is for a holiday. He wants to go on holiday. He needs some money. Dave is doing it now. It must be continuous, present continuous. Saving up. You save up for a holiday. He's doing it now. Dave is saving up. Saving up for a holiday. Present continuous. Excellent. So there we are. English grammar, phrasal verbs with up. Not too bad really. Quite easy peasy. How are you feeling now? Did you manage all those sentences? Are you feeling depressed? Cheer yourself up with a cup of tea. Another phrasal verb, cheer up. You'll feel better. Life is always better with a cup of tea. Thank you for watching. Tell all your friends, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.